bus is going to block it.
Yeah, the bus doesn't have any fucking sense and it's got the stupid pillars. Yeah. Yeah, but this particular thing, two of them